going on, produce people? Was thinking about a video to make and decided to make one of the nursery zone. So we'll go through what we got here. I got some pin oak trees right here that actually don't look so hot. Not sure what that, I don't know if you can see that, but like the little speckles and the discoloration, they just don't look happy. I don't know if it's this potting soil, it's been more sandy than anything. Maybe that's part of the problem. If you know, leave me a comment down below. Got some mulberries here. They're looking pretty good, but they're in really small pots, so they need to be potted up soon. I'll show you what size they started as this year. This guy and that guy over there were supposed to have apples, crab apple seeds in them. I had a problem with cold stratification this winter, and a lot of my seeds did not make it because they didn't stratify long enough, I believe. So, yeah. Took note. We'll learn for next time. And all these guys right here are persimmons. Got quite a few of them. Quite a few persimmons. And then I got 2 currants here on the edge. They also have that black splotchiness. And they're not really growing. They seem to be really fertility driven, so maybe I'm not fertilizing enough. Maybe that's why they're not growing. Let me know. Like I said, let me know down below if you guys have any notes do you want to share, or any comments or anything like that. Got another pin oak. I believe a cedar tree. Some failed grafts. Another pin oak. Some figs that I'm trying to hand out. Got them from Walmart for like $12. They're supposed to be cold hardy to our zone. And then right here we've got some haskaps. These are seed haskaps. They came from New York, Trumansburg, New York. From, what's his name? Twisted Tree Nursery. Old Akiva. He's a great guy. I like supporting him. And then we got 2 serviceberries. Like I said, I think it was a stratification error. My refrigerator didn't stay cold enough all winter, so that was part of the problem. Some grafts, a rootstock that we're hoping makes it. These are all sawtooth oaks, non-native. Didn't know they were non-native when I started them, but it is what it is. Got some pin cherries down here from the Mama Pin Cherry. Mama Pin Cherry. Man, the birds love those trees so much that they eat the berries before they're even ripe around here. And we've got some echinacea. These also came from Twisted Tree Nursery. I need to do some weeding out here, but that's alright. Some Aronia cuttings. That started off as baby plants or cuttings. A couple sunflowers. Some gooseberry cuttings. And then I got a bunch of elderberries. This is a wild variety that I found somewhere close to me. Central Kentucky. So, yep, there's that. This is all seed elderberry. They're booming. I feel like I probably should have put these in a single pot and divided them out as they sprouted, but this is where I'm at, and we're gonna see what happens. This appears to be maybe another haskap. Unsure though. Some peaches, very spotty germination. Like I said, I think it was because like there's a bunch of them that haven't sprouted, so I'm thinking that is a stratification error. Also heard that they can take 2 years to, they'll have like a warm period that they need in order to sprout. Haven't had that in years prior, but I guess that could be the case. Also, for these peaches and any type of oak tree, I would highly advise against leaving the top off. I would do something to this effect or better, because I have, like as you can see right there, Something has been digging in my box. Imagine a squirrel or a chipmunk. Yeah. This area over here on the left is all pawpaws, a breeder's mix and other things, and then a lot more persimmons. These are first year seedling persimmons. And this is approximately what the mulberries looked like before they went into those pots over there. And so, not real huge. I think these are also mulberries, and they are from a local tree close to me. The biggest berries I have found on a mulberry naturally. Great flavor. So I started some seeds, hoping that those take root. An Aronia cutting, some tomatoes, a pepper, serviceberries. These are last year's serviceberries. This was a persimmon that has died. And, livestock is dead stock, But yeah, these are all serviceberries. They're getting big, man. They're getting real big. It's exciting stuff. And then we'll come out here. Got some random vegetables. Some perennial kales from Experimental Farm Network. And then out here is my cuttings of elderberry from Edible Acres. They're named varieties, York, Scotia, Marge, and then I've got a mix. So that's exciting. This whole green carpet here is elderberry cuttings, and this is a guy from last year that I moved. And then finally I got more persimmons and some red oak trees, and hoping that we'll have pawpaws and pecans popping up soon. Not holding our breath, but we're hoping. And I got some asparagus and some other stuff. Some grafted trees that my pop's been working on. Yeah, so that is the nursery zone, the propagation zone. Those strawberries are going to be propagated from soon. There's a lot over there. We probably got 5 or 6 quarts this year from this little yard. But yeah, that's the plants I've got going. Hoping to pass those out in the future and to get food in the hands of the people that want it. All right, thank you guys. Have a good one.